Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to record yourself on Audacity. So firstly, you want to make sure the type of track you want. You can have a mono track, a stereo track. So normally you want to use stereo since that's the typical format, but you can also add mono. I'm just going to do a stereo track. So once you make your stereo track, you can split it, you can format it, and you can also change the rate. So I just want to change the rate to 4800 Hertz because that is typically the highest standard you can get on any DVD. And from there, then after you've done all your setup and then you just want to press on this big red, or you can press on the R key on your keyboard. I'm just going to press on this, and once I press on this, as you can see, it already started recording. Now I had not selected the previous track, so I'm just gonna stop this. I'm gonna put this on mute as well as delete this audio. So in order to make sure it's recording, make sure you press on it. So since I hadn't really pressed on this track, it started recording down here. So now I'm just gonna make sure I press on it, and then if I start recording, as you can see, it's recording in the track that I wanted it to record in previously. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.